Hi, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to do some cool patterns on the 3x3 like this, 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 and this. So, before you start this video, you will need to know about algorithms and what symbols or letters represent which moves. Once you've learnt these, you can carry on. So, to start off with is the easy checkerboard pattern. It consists of only 3 moves, which are M2, E2, and S2. And there we go, you have your simple checkerboard pattern. Next up is the standard checkerboard pattern. It is slightly harder than the first one and goes like this. F, B2, R inverted, D2, B, R, U, D inverted, R, L inverted, D inverted, F inverted, R2, D, F2, and B inverted. And there we go, there is the standard checkerboard pattern. So, this next pattern is very easy. It is called the 6-spot pattern and doesn't require any algorithms. It goes like this. So you turn the middle once, 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 and the middle once. And you end up with 6 spots all around the cube. This next pattern is called the cube in a cube and is probably my favourite pattern. I prefer to hold it with the red facing towards me, the blue to my right and the white on top, as I think it gives the coolest effect at the end. So it goes like this. F, L, F, U inverted, R, U, F2, L2, U inverted, L inverted, B, D inverted, B inverted, L2, and U. And there we go, there is the cube in a cube pattern. This is one of my favourites. Right, this is the last pattern. It is called the cube in a cube in a cube, and it's probably the most complicated. This is how it goes. U inverted, L inverted, U inverted, F inverted, R2, B inverted, R, F, U, B2, U, B inverted, L, U inverted, F, U, R, F inverted. And this is the cube in a cube in a cube pattern. It does it on both corners. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See ya!